If you happen to live inside a florist, you could forever enjoy exotic scents. Each bloom's fragrance competes with the others to delight the senses. But in the real world, scents are seldom as pleasant. Even our homes occasionally need to be infused with a fresh breath of spring. Many reach for a can of air fresheners, but those compressed chemicals don't do much good for our health or the environment. In today's video, we'll check out a variety of inexpensive ways to create your own home deodorizer gels, without the risk of side effects. What you need: 1 ounce unsweetened, unflavored gelatin, 2 cups cold water, 1 tablespoon salt, 20 to 30 drops essential oils, small saucepan, whisk, decorative heat-proof jars, chopsticks or skewers. Optional additives: food coloring to match your decor, a splash of vodka to prevent mold. Preparation instructions: pour 1 cup of water into saucepan. Bring to a boil. Next, sprinkle in the gelatin. Whisk until it's dissolved. Add salt, and the 2nd cup of water. Whisk. Add your preferred oils, and food coloring, to a heat-proof jar. While the mixture is still hot, carefully pour into a jar. If you added food coloring, stir until it's well blended. Add a splash of vodka, if desired. Allow jar to cool uncovered. Placing various gels throughout your home will eliminate unpleasant odors. Here's a few more combinations you may wish to try. Sweet basil and lemon. 20 drops sweet basil essential oil. 8 drops lemon essential oil. Rosemary orange. 25 drops sweet orange essential oil. 5 drops rosemary essential oil. Scent is strong, so don't overdo it. Fresh pine scent. 25 drops for pine essential oil. 3 drops lemon essential oil. 2 drops sweet orange essential oil. 1 drop bergamot essential oil. Pure lavender. 30 drops of lavender essential oil. Essence of Provence. 20 drops lavender essential oil. 5 drops thyme essential oil. 2 drops lemon essential oil.